Introducing your most creative traffic method making Tumblr. Tumblr acclaimed itself to be one of the world's most creative websites, creating a community where free speeches reign supreme. Ever since it existed, Tumblr is committed to celebrating the creativity of its users. This is the place where users connect with others who share their interests. Their mobile application itself has been downloaded over 50 million users worldwide in 2017. Following this reception, Tumblr has been dubbed as one of the highest traffic-generating methods apart from Facebook. This is thanks to its unique crowd and the opportunity given to the crowd to reflect who they are, what they love, think, and believe. According to Tumblr, their community creates at least 90 million posts each day. What makes it different from Facebook? It sounds like another social network platform to you, doesn't it? Well, remember Friendster and MySpace? Studies showed that users of these social network giants even labeled Tumblr as an upgraded version of both. And that's not all. Did you know the trending word GIF was made official thanks to the community of Tumblr? That's right, Tumblr created a trend that made it impossible for the online community to ignore. There's also an occurrence where a 30-second-long Japanese commercial went viral amongst fans worldwide, especially the Tumblr community. Despite it only being a commercial, it spread like wildfire on Tumblr, generating traffic across multiple hubs. Fans worldwide expressed their interest in the commercial by creating a blog post on Tumblr, fan fictions, and even online petitions calling on the studio to finally make it into a full animation series. That animation is titled Free. These are proof on how powerful the Tumblr community is. Famous brands have recognized its potential and have decided to register themselves to Tumblr. The list includes Calvin Klein, Disney, Adidas, Coca-Cola, and Sesame Street, to name a few. Hi, and welcome back. Towards the end of this module, you'll create your own account and manage it accordingly. Then, you'll start looking up for anything interesting and relevant, following fellow bloggers of similar interest. You'll learn to publish your first post and optimize it. Finally, we'll explore the top most used tags by the majority of Tumblr users. Starting off, you need an active email account to register for Tumblr. This is the Tumblr's homepage for unregistered users. Click Sign Up. Once it's done, you'll be directed to a page welcoming you to Tumblr. Enter your relevant username. If you're signing up as a business, it's advisable to use your company's name. Continuing, you'll see a page with multiple things suggested for you to follow. You can follow as many as you want. Once you've made your pick, click Next. You'll see a loading screen where Tumblr is automatically optimizing your choices and building up your dashboard accordingly. Here's your dashboard. Tumblr will then help you navigate through your dashboard. First, you'll be taught on liking a post. Clicking the heart button will notify the person who posted it to get a like. That's one of the main items you aim for when posting something relatable to your business in Tumblr. The more likes you get, the more users will be directed to follow you. Then you'll be taught to reblog a post using the icon beside the heart. Reblogging a post will allow the post to be on your blog so your follower can see it. Keep in mind, other users may also reblog your post. When you click Reblog, you have the options to add comments on the post. What's more, you can add tags to it too. Plus, you have the choice to either reblog it instantly, add to your queue post, save in your draft, post it privately, or even schedule the post. You also have the option to share it amongst your followers or to other platforms as well. Either way, this will help your company reach and expand across multiple users in Tumblr. Hi, and welcome back. We continue with how to maximize your Tumblr platform. There are two kinds of profiles in Tumblr. Let us explore the first one. Continuing from your dashboard, you see a thumbnail on the top left screen. Clicking it opens an interface on your right screen. This is an introductory profile. Users get a glimpse of what your blog's all about in this section. It looks empty now because you've yet to post anything. First off, your thumbnail should be relevant to your business. Use your logo for this. Name your page and describe it per the objective of your business. Next, your header image is to encapsulate the whole idea of your business. If you're uncertain, explore the blogs for ideas. Hover to other thumbnails you see on the dashboard. When you find anything interesting, click it and the same introductory profile will pop up. There are plenty of users out there who could assist in your idea pool. Next, edit your second profile page. This serves as your main page to users in Tumblr. Simply click on your avatar when the right interface pops out and you're directed to your main page. On the top right screen of your page, click on the Edit Appearance icon. There are multiple customizations you can do. You can edit your theme however you want. Explore these options and figure out which suits your business best. There's also ready-made themes you can browse through. Click Browse Theme and navigate from there. However, most of these themes require you to pay, so for now, stick to Free Theme. Now that your blog's ready, time to create posts to generate traffic. Click the Dashboard button. On the top of the page, you can see 7 icons beside your avatar. Click the icon suitable for your post. Say, for example, you want to post a photo from your device. Here's your photo and the tools necessary for traffic in Tumblr. Before you dive into the captions and the options within, click the Settings button top right of your photo. One useful tool from Tumblr is the custom URL. Every post will have the option to have its own custom URL. This makes it easier for users to find you. Just type in the URL you want your post to have. Below it is the content source. Nobody likes uncredited source, and since 2011, Tumblr expressed their concerns over posts that are not properly credited. This is because authors or owners did not get the traffic and the recognition they deserved. This way, your original post, wherever it goes, will always be linked back to your profile. What's more, only the creator of that post may change its source and not random users of Tumblr. There's also post date and text editor options. On the captions, you have the option to add another photo, videos, GIFs, horizontal line for caption breaks, and read more links if you want to put additional credit to the source of your post. Finally, tagging. This is important. Your traffic in Tumblr also depends on the tag you've given to your post. The final lesson for Tumblr would be the relationship between Tumblr and traffic. In this module, you familiarize yourself with the tagging, hearts, reblog, and explore. Remember the photo you want to post? Tagging it properly is the most difficult decision for you to make. You might wonder, will people even search this tag? Consider this research for a moment. It's been researched that top tags in Tumblr are LOL, fashion, vintage, art, GIF, makeup, animals, landscape, and even animals. Oh, and cats. That's right, these are the tags that have been conquering the tag game in Tumblr. Even if your desired tag is not in the list, that doesn't mean you should stop tagging your post. The whole idea is to get you to understand that any words can be a tag option. Who would have thought that LOL would be one of the top tags? So keep tagging. That way, it'll be easier for users to look up the relevant post with similar tags. You can utilize it using tricks learned previously on Instagram. Next, we learn about hearts and reblogs. These two usually come hand in hand in Tumblr. One does not simply heart or like a post without reblogging it. It is an unspoken rule in Tumblr. If you do both, your dashboard's right column will suggest different posts that would fit your need. Users of multiple interests will appear for you to follow, and the cycle continues. As mentioned earlier, liking and reblogging a post will allow your Explore board to expand. The Explore button on the top right screen will direct you to it. On the top page, you'll see options that are recommended for you, trending, staff picks, and all the way to asks. Simply click on the Recommended for You option and voila! Based on your likes and reblogs, Tumblr will automatically sync your exploration in Tumblr accordingly. This is how you and all the other users find their way in Tumblr. Those are the key factors of traffic generation in Tumblr. When you finally utilize all the points given to you, users will easily find you. Users with similar tag interests will eventually find your post, despite a small number of likes or reblogs your post has had. To sum up this training, upload relevant posts, keep exploring, like and reblog to expand your followers. Good luck!